Today guys, I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on Facebook. It's quite a straightforward process, so as I get into it, smash the like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and let's get started. Okay guys, so here I have my iPhone, and the first thing that we need to do is go over to Facebook. We're going to go click on Facebook. From our Facebook profile page here, we can go down to the bottom right-hand corner. You'll find your menu option. Click on that. From your menu option, you're going to go over to settings. You're going to click on that. And then from here, we can scroll down and you will find dark mode right down here. Click on that and you've got three options: on, off, or system. Now, personally, I like to use the system setting because it means that I can adjust my iPhones to light mode or dark mode, and all of my other applications will follow suit, which means I don't have to go into each individual application to essentially change whether I want it in light mode or dark mode, right? So I would click on the system. Now my phone is in dark mode, so therefore Facebook would turn into dark mode in this particular case. If, however, your system settings are still on light mode, then of course you can just go ahead and click on the on button, which will basically just make Facebook dark mode. But personally, I like to use the system to control all the applications, and therefore if I feel like it, I can switch everything into light mode at a flick of a single button rather than having to do it individually on each app. But that's it. Once that's done, you can just go back out of your settings and come back over to the home tab, and now Facebook is in dark mode. And it really is as easy as that to essentially put Facebook into dark mode on your mobile device. If this has worked for you, found it useful, informative, make sure to smash that like button for me, subscribe for more hints and tips, and I will catch you all in the next one.